Hello students, today we will solve question number second of question number 3, which is given in page number 91. Solve the following. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? So student, here relationship between his father and Lakshmi's age is given. Father and Lakshmi. In second sentence, it is given that Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. It is given that, and he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. It means age of father is depending upon the age of Lakshmi. So how we will start our solution? First we will suppose here the age of Lakshmi is independent. So first we will suppose let the age of Lakshmi be X years. Okay. Then according to question, his father's age will be according to question. Now we will find his father's age. According to question, her father's age will be, it is given that, what is given that? 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 4 older, it means obviously we will add plus 4. 3 times Lakshmi's age, it means we suppose that the age of Lakshmi is X, so 3 times will be your 3x plus 4 years. Okay, but once again read the question. In first statement it is given that her father's age is 49 years. What is given that? Father's age equals to 49 years. So father's age relationship, what is given here? 3x plus 4 will equals to 49. So we made the equation. Now we will simplify this and then we will find the age of Lakshmi and her father also. First we will shift this plus 4 from left hand side to right hand side. What we will get? 49 minus 4. Okay. Then 3x equals to 49 minus 4, it means 45. X equals to 45 upon 3. Then we will cancel out this. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, x equals to 15, and x is the age of Lakshmi. So at the end what we will write? Therefore age of Lakshmi will equals to 15 years. Okay, so student, you have to read the statement 2 to 3 times, then you have to understand which one is here depending and variable and which one is your independent variable, and we will start our solution from assuming that independent variable is x. Okay, question number 3 of this question is, people of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? Once again read the question, student. There is a village. There are 2 types of trees. Some of the trees were fruit trees and the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. It means there are 2 types of trees, fruit trees and not non-fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? So student, how we will start our solution? There are 2 types of trees, non-fruit trees and fruit trees. It is very clearly mentioned non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. It means non-fruit trees are depending upon the fruit trees. So how we will start our solution? Let number of fruit trees be X. So according to question, number of non-fruit trees will be, it is given that 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. 2 more, it means we will add 2. 3 times the fruit trees, it means 3x, because we suppose that number of fruit trees be x. So 3x plus 2. But here it is given that number of non-fruit trees equals to 77. So we will substitute here 3x plus 2 equals to 77. Then we will shift this plus 2 from left hand side to right hand side, and we will get 3x equal 77 minus 2. What will remain? 3x equals to 77 minus 2, it means 75. X equals to, then we will shift this 3 from left hand side to right hand side. It will comes in the denominator, then we will cancel out this. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 1 will remain, 3 5s are 15. So the value of x is here 25. It means number of fruit trees will be 25. Okay, at the end you have to write your answer in words. Number of fruit trees will be 25.